today we are gonna talk about experimental methods to determine molecular weight. For this purpose we will write the second method, which is silver salt method. We have already discussed the first method, which was Victor Mayer method. Now we will talk about silver salt method. So we will write, it is used to determine the molecular weight of organic acids. So this method is specifically for organic acids. We'll further write as examples, we'll write CH3COOH and COOH, single bond COOH. Here one atom of hydrogen is present, so we'll write that basicity of this compound is 1. So this is monobasic. Here two hydrogen atoms are present, so we'll write that basicity is 2. Hence this is dibasic. We are discussing about basicity. We'll write basicity is equal to number of hydrogen atoms, number of H atoms present in compound. That is called basicity. It's important term. We'll further discuss about it. Here we will write the procedure for silver salt method. The procedure is a given amount of organic acid is reacted with AgNO3 silver nitrate, resulting in the formation of silver salt, Ag salt, which is then weighed. This silver salt, this Ag salt is further heated to precipitate out all silver. It is further heated to precipitate out all silver, which is again dried and weighed. So basically the procedure is, a given amount of organic acid is reacted with AgNO3, it will form silver salt, and later this will be heated to precipitate out pure silver, which will be weighed again. Now we will write the reaction for silver salt method. Here we will write HNA, which will denote our organic acid. It will be reacted with AgNO3 forming AgN. This will be our silver salt, and this on further heating will give us Ag in precipitate form. Downward arrow shows that precipitate is formed. So this HNA, this is our organic acid. We have denoted our organic acid by HNA. This is our silver salt AgN, and this is our pure silver, which is precipitated out. Also the basicity of this organic acid is N, because there are N number of hydrogen atoms in this compound, right? Also the weight for silver salt is W gram. This will be given in the question. The weight of pure silver is S gram, and we have to find out the molecular weight of organic acid, which is our main purpose through silver salt method. Now we'll write apply POAC for Ag atoms. You know what is POAC? We have discussed it in last class. Apply principle of atom conservation for silver atoms. Silver is present in the middle and in the end term. So for silver atoms we can write N multiplied by moles of silver salt, because there are N atoms of silver, so N multiplied by moles of silver salt. Here there is only one atom of silver, so 1 multiplied by moles of pure silver. Now we'll put the values. So N multiplied by moles of pure silver is W divided by molecular weight of silver salt, molecular weight of Ag salt, is equal to 1 multiplied by moles, the weight is X, divided by molecular weight of silver, 108. So molecular weight of silver salt will come out to be 108 times N times W divided by X. This will be the molecular weight of silver salt. We have to find molecular weight of organic acid. We'll further write here. We had molecular weight of silver salt is equal to 108 times N times W divided by X, and the reaction we had HNA on reacting AgNO3 forms AAGN, which on heating gives Ag as precipitate, silver as precipitate. This was our organic acid. This is the silver salt and this is pure silver. I am writing this again so you better understand how we calculate the molecular weight of organic acid. Okay, this was already given. Now we'll write that molecular weight of organic acid will be equal to molecular weight of silver salt, molecular weight of silver salt plus weight of n grams of hydrogen, because there are n hydrogen present, plus weight of n grams of hydrogen minus weight of n grams of silver. Here there are n grams of silver, so minus weight of n grams of silver. So this is simply the way we will find molecular weight of organic acid. We will further solve it. So we had molecular weight of organic acid is equal to molecular weight of silver salt, Ag salt, plus weight of n grams of H minus weight of n grams of Ag. Now we will simply put these values. Molecular weight of organic acid is equal to, we calculated molecular weight of silver salt, which was 108 times N times W divided by X, plus weight of n grams of hydrogen is N into 1 and minus weight of n grams of silver is N into 108. So molecular weight of organic acid will come out, N is common, so N multiplied by 108W divided by X minus 107. So this is simply the formula. This is very important formula. Molecular weight of organic acid is equal to N multiplied by 108W divided by X minus 107. Right? Here you know N denotes basicity of organic acid. Right? W stands for weight of silver salt, weight of Ag salt, and X stands for weight of pure silver. Now we will solve a problem so you better understand. So here we have 0.41 gram of silver salt of a dibasic acid on heating yields 0.216 gram of pure silver. Find molecular weight of the acid. Pause the video and solve by yourself. Now we will solve it. That we will first write that it is based on silver salt method because an organic acid is involved. We will write the formula for molecular weight of organic acid, which we have to find out, which is, we wrote on last page, N times 108W divided by X minus 107. Right? Now we will put the values. Here the value of N is, since it's the dibasic, so N is 2. The value of W stands for weight of silver salt, it is 0.41 gram, and the value of X stands for mass of pure silver, weight of pure silver, basically 0.216 gram. Now putting the values, we will get molecular weight of organic acid is equal to 2 multiplied by 108 into 0.41 divided by 0.216 minus 107. On further solving, molecular weight of organic acid will come out to be 96 96 gram per mole, and this will be simply the answer. This will be the answer. Hope you understand this. Thank you for watching.